Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape our world. Stay tuned for breaking news. I would like to say congratulations, Mr. Miguel Smith, on receiving the Certificate of Special Congressional Recognition from the United States. You continue to put Jamaica on the pedestal. In a proud and historic moment for Jamaican content creators and Jamaicans on a whole, Colaz Smith, the beloved YouTuber behind Colaz Smith TV, has received a Certificate of Special Congressional Recognition from the United States Congress. This prestigious honor acknowledges Mr. Smith's exceptional contribution to digital media, cultural exchange, and the positive representation of Jamaican life to global audiences. The Certificate of Special Congressional Recognition is a formal commendation granted by members of the U.S. Congress to individuals and organizations that have made significant contribution to their communities or fields of work. It is a rare and meaningful accolade, especially for an international content creator, underscoring the profound impact Mr. Smith's work has had beyond the Jamaican shores. Colazsmithtv has become a beacon of authenticity on YouTube, attracting over 180,000 subscribers and amassing more than 87 million views worldwide. Since launching his channel, Colaz has used his platform to spotlight real Jamaican life, not just the beautiful beaches or tourist spots, but the everyday joys, challenges, and the beauty of the island's culture. From preparing traditional meals like coconut dumplings and curry goat to sharing wholesome moments with his wife Sham and their children, Colaz has invited viewers into his life with humility, humor, and heart. The congressional recognition is a testament to the growing appreciation for content that builds cultural bridges. Through his channel, Colaz Smith has helped dispel stereotypes, promote family values, and preserve the essence of rural Jamaican living in a digital age that often overlooks such narratives. His down-to-earth storytelling and community-driven content have resonated particularly with members of the Jamaican diaspora in the U.S. as well as American viewers curious about Caribbean life. In addition to entertaining and educating, Colaz has mentored and supported a wave of other Jamaican YouTubers, helping to create a vibrant ecosystem of content that celebrates local culture. His influence extends far beyond his own videos, inspiring young creators to tell their own stories and remain ungrounded in their identity. Receiving this honor from the U.S. Congress is not only a personal milestone for Colaz, but a moment of pride for Jamaica and the Caribbean content community at large. It reinforces the idea that authentic storytelling rooted in culture and community can reach across borders and touch hearts in the highest places. As Colaz continues to grow his platform and expand his impact, this recognition serves as a powerful reminder that passion, purpose, and a genuine connection with one's audience can lead to extraordinary achievements, even from the heart of the Jamaican countryside to the halls of the U.S. Capitol.